Sagittarius, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in, all the new watchers. My name is Sonia. This channel is all regarding the psychic readings of me. I am an intuitive reader, I am a psychic reader, I am a clairvoyant, and I am an empath. So definitely I'm going to do all the readings based on my intuitions and divine guide angels messages. For you, this reading is for December 2020. If you have not subscribed my channel, I would request you to do so for notifications so that you know when my next video is coming and what all I'm uploading on my channel, because it's not only regarding tarot, it's regarding medical videos as well, where you can heal your medical problems through spirituality. It's going to be more fun in the next year because I'm coming up with some cool stuff which is still surprise, and I know it's going to be a great info video as well. So this video is going to give you insight for December 2020. Guide guardian angels for Sagittarius, send me messages. Show me what's coming up in December for Sagittarius. You are okay, so you were in the past were like frustrated, angry, you were not absolutely in balance. Now you're getting towards that cool side in December. You are balancing yourself somehow. You know you were frustrated, you were going through some chaos in your relationship, I guess. Overall energy is relationship and nearby environment. You are not happy with that, but now you're coming to that cool side. You are getting balanced. You know what is true. Some truth is coming out, or maybe you are going to reveal that. You're going to understand the truth of yourself sometimes. Payback time. You're going to pay back to someone, or someone is going to pay back to you. It's a karma return, guys. It's going to be unfolding in December. Major steps will be taken. It is for someone who is going through some kind of time. You're focused on your growth. You're focused on overall your personality, your growth. There's something stopping you. It could be a motherly angle for some of you, that you could be mothers and maybe motherly angle. Okay, so Queen of Pentacles is upside down. You stopped focusing on yourself. You are this card is like this. You've stopped focusing on yourself. It could be male, female. You're more towards family. You're more towards the different environment, but then you. So your focus has actually gone haywire than you. So that's the first energy. The second is definitely the card which I told you. That's the truth. Something is going to come out. Something is going to be clear to you, and you will have that help which is going to make you come out of this energy. And then we have King of Pentacles, King of Swords. So I think the man in your life is going to tell you something about someone or some truth, or maybe it's you who's standing in your own power. So I think for Sagittarius, this month is going to be keeping yourself, bringing yourself back and getting focused on yourself. Also, I feel you are concentrated on money of someone. It could be that you're noticing someone growing and you want to be growing like that, or it could be you wanting that position, that specific position. So many messages. It is four of Pentacles, and this person is holding on to this pentacle like crazy. So you are wanting money. Somewhere you are financially suffering, or maybe you want more money. You want to do everything to get this money in, and some of you are very possessive of money, so you're not spending it, you are just holding on to it. I'm getting more of money energy. Some of you are actually willing to have more money because you have loans to pay, or you have something to pay. Money has become a main concern of you. Money is the energy of December. So I feel that you are actually understanding the reality, where you stand in financial status and how much you need to go for whatever needs you have to be fulfilled. Also, I feel that some of you are very behaving like a miser. I'm sorry to say, but yeah, it could be that, because this time has become very difficult for everyone. So you are not willing to spend so much. And maybe you are actually talking with people in a very blunt way regarding spendings also in your family. So maybe it is all about spendings, it's about savings in this month. Let's see. Okay, we have Ace of Pentacles as the last card. So definitely a way is opening up. You're going to make money. Don't worry about it. Your path is getting open and some big money is on the way. So don't worry about it. Maybe you will receive this money and you'll become possessive of this money. Yeah. People are in business. You're going to get some good opportunity in business in December. Let's see what is the main energy of December for Sagittarius. Okay, two cards. Okay, so we have the Sun, the World, the Death, and the Eight of Pentacles. So I feel that the waiting zone for that money is going to get over. You're going to see lots and lots of opportunities coming your way because we have the World card. Definitely it's a year end and we are getting the World card also with the Death. So you are going to also feel like changing. You are going to receive some opportunity, in terms of some business opportunity. You're going to do it and you're going to put a lot of efforts in this because you are transforming and you know that you require that money somehow. Eight of Pentacles, you're going to put in efforts with this opportunity. You want to manifest the best. You want to do the best. You want to put in the best, and that's why the Queen of Pentacles was upside down. Maybe you actually lack that conviction, that passion to make money. Now it's going to be back to you. And the World card says that you will find some opportunity which will show you the world around. Like, this is it. If I do this, I'm going to get everything. I'm going to manifest everything. So that sort of energy is in you. Eight of Pentacles for sure. You're going to work day and night to receive that sort of amount. Some people will manifest it through some spiritual activities also. Yeah, it's going to be something you're weaving, like you're weaving some work and you're going to manifest it. What is the major event for Sagittarius in December? I think for business, yes, it's a good month. You are going to get something good. Maybe you were waiting for. Oh yeah, you were waiting for. Look at the cards. Seven of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. So you were waiting for that kind of money. Maybe people who have not paid you a big amount pending somewhere, you are going to get that amount in this month. Also some property, because I've got Ten of Pentacles. It's all about money. So maybe some property you have invested in and you were selling it. So you're going to get great money. Money is coming your way, Sagittarius. You've been waiting for it. Like Seven of Pentacles is like a big waiting zone to have that balanced financial status, but now it's going to be. And one big thing is Ace of Wands, a new opportunity, definitely maybe from your family side, from your maternal side, somewhere to make big money is going to come to you, and please take it because it's going to be very favorable for you. Ten of Pentacles will also be like a sell of property, or you're going to get a big share in the ancestral property. Something like this is going to get sold this month and you're going to get a lot of money in. So congratulations. Your worries, your waiting zones are going to go away. December is a changing month for you, Saggies. Do comment in my comment section that this happened and which week it happened, when you got that property sold, when you got this news that you're getting share in your ancestral property, and yeah, something like that. For some of you, very few of you, it could be a marriage where you are going to spend a lot of money, and it is becoming your concern that amount is increasing every month for this wedding, and it's going to be expensive, exclusive wedding, but you're going to enjoy because your family is going to be reunited, and you've been waiting for this marriage, this kind of a celebration for a very long time. Maybe because of this pandemic you waited the entire year, the last 8 to 9 months, and now you are getting married with this person, and it's a happy celebration. Everything is going to be superb. The energy is fantastic. And it's like, wow, it's like moving. Each day you're going to get some good news. So this reading is turning out to be a great reading. I want to see that people who are waiting for money and getting the money, apart from that, any other energy for December for Saggies. Sometimes it is just so dominated with money that you are revolving around this energy of money. Okay, so for some of them who are not actually working on this money aspect, I feel that you were thinking to create you were thinking to build a house or create something, some business or some idea, creative idea, you wanted to manifest it, this is the time to manifest. You have a magician card. So you actually know now all the tools you have to manifest it. You have got that skill set to work on. And don't stop yourself. You're going right because the warning with this is Eight of Swords, where you're stopping yourself to move forward on this idea. You should go ahead on this idea. This is a very favorable idea for you. Whatever you are manifesting is going to manifest. Is only you who is double doubting. Is just doubting yourself. So the Magician card also says that you have everything. You have a support of an angel as well. Some spiritual support you have, because of which you'll be able to build this thing. But just don't stop yourself, don't double doubt, don't cross question yourself a lot. What is the divine guidance for you, Sagittarius? What is that thing which is going to help you in December? What is the divine message? I feel it's just that go with patience. Divine message is that, okay, it's a very clear message which just came in the magician card reading also, that why everything comes to a standstill in your life and why there are so many illusions and confusions in your life, because you create it. There's nobody else doing anything. It's your shadow side always working on you. So guys, do your clearing, energy clearing, heal yourself, because I feel you have built up a wall and you freeze yourself. This is a very spiritual message. I don't know how many of you will be able to understand, but in a layman term, I would say that your own negativity brings those hardships to you. You freeze your money, you freeze your luck by your own thinking. So change your thinking. You do daydreaming, but then those dreams can only come true when you're clear about them. You're confused. Most of you are having a very energy draining pattern. You drain your energy very fast. So for that you have to have a good healing done, so that you balance your energies, because your shadow side with 5 of Pentacles is definitely you have blocked your money because of your thinking, and you have blocked your partnership also because of your thinking. Some of you people who are not having their partners with them and they are thinking why, the answer is your own thinking. It's nothing to do with other person. Yeah, you want everything in that person. You're just expecting the world within one person. I feel that no, because nobody is perfect, so you will find flaws in them. You have to live with them, you have to adjust. Yeah. Also I feel that your freezed money or your connection, whatever it is, it's about your own thinking. It's coming back to me that change your perception, change your pattern of thinking, change yourself. It's high time, change yourself. One day we will be talking in one video how to change perceptions. It's a very important video and a very long video. So I think I'll be making it soon. Also, I feel your manifestations are working about money, about getting everything. So why can't you change yourself? Manifestation is a very important art, very, very creative art. So yeah, this reading is too short, but I feel all the messages are out like very easily, because this energy is so easy to read. Also, I would like to pull out cards that how to manifest that money which you are trying to do, because some of you I think want lots and lots of money, maybe to pay bills and all. How you can manifest that money? So it is going to be a bit of remedy, uh, which you can do to manifest that money or that opportunity to make that money. Yes, the same message of divine. Stop thinking negative, move away from all the stubborn nature you have. I mean, some of you love to believe that no, everything cannot be happy in my life, everything cannot be sorted in my life. I have to have problems in me, in my life. So, guys, you have to let go of this issue of self pity. I'm sorry to say, but I have to be little clear in this situation. I can't be saying things which please you. So 10 of swords and 4 of cups with 6 of swords. Definitely it's all about your thinking. You're stuck in past, you're guarded too much, you're not happy to receive too much, you're not allowing universe to give you too much. You cannot do that to yourself, Saji. You have to allow universe, you have to allow powers to help you. They are listening to you. but you are always stubborn that no, if this is good, this is not good, if this is good, that is bad. Stop concentrating on half glass empty, start concentrating on how much it is filled and how you can fill it more. Work on the solutions, change yourself, change your perception, change your duality. So it could be that you are having duality in your nature. Sometimes you are good with yourself, but most of the time you're not good with yourself. Start loving yourself, respecting yourself. Very important. So guys, this reading will help you with the good news, and definitely please do comment if you get that money in, if you get that bank loan passed, if you get some sort of ancestral property or anything which helps you, so that it makes us also happy that our reading is resonating with you. Also, I feel that the guidance which divine has given you, that how to change, please work on that. Start respecting your time, your emotions, and put it in the right direction. Don't just get your energy strained in the family work, concentrate for your work as well. I think yes, it's the balance which you need. Entire balance is required. Hope to see you in January in 2021, and you have the 2021 readings uploaded for the next year. So I think you can also see December and then the yearly to understand what exactly is going to happen. There are some challenges up there in the reading I still remember, so you can work on them from now. Okay, till then, take care.